Hello and welcome to our step-by-step guide for creating a simple yet stylish terrarium. These kits contain everything you need to make your own terrarium: grit, activated charcoal and compost. Add a layer of grit to the base of your jar. This will help with drainage. Save some for a top dressing. Add the activated charcoal to help keep the soil clean. Flatten the layer to create clear bands of colour through the glass. Soak the compost disc and it will expand, then add to your jar. Select your plants. We suggest 3 for this size jar. Think about height, texture and colour. Plant low growing plants at the front and build the height towards the back of the jar. As the plants grow, you will need to trim them before they grow too big for the jar. Add compost around the plants. Take time to dust the compost off the plants before the next step. Top dress with the remaining grit. Watering will help clean the dust from the plants. Finally, add the lid and you're finished.